How to fix friends can't view your story on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if certain friends of yours cannot view your Facebook stories. So the very first thing you want to do is open up Facebook application on your device. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, what you basically have to do is change your privacy settings. To do that, find the menu icon at the top right corner. And then again, right beside the search bar, you'll have the gear icon. Just go ahead and tap on it. Now, once you get to the settings menu, scroll down here until you find audience and visibility. And then you want to find your stories here. Tap on stories. Now, once you have done that, tap on who can see your stories. Then as you can see, I've currently set this to public, but if you have chosen custom people, then in that case, only they will be able to see your story. So that's why some of your friends might not be able to see it. So in that case, you just need to make sure you select friends, or if you have a public profile, you can directly select public and anyone on or off Facebook can directly view your story. And once that is done, you should be able to tap on the save button down below and then tap on save again. And then you should be good to go. Now, if you want to allow others to share your public stories to their own story, you can just turn this one on. And the story will include your full name and a link to the original story, and they will control who can see it. So make sure you turn on all of these options, and you're good to go. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Hit the like button down below, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.